Welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So this time we are again here with another mouth-watering recipe, and you are all definitely going to like it because it's very yummy, delicious, tempting and so attractive. So we are making fruit cream and a chocolate cream, and we will also make a chocolate bowl at home, and it is so good looking that you will like to make it again and again, and it's a very easy recipe. So kindly go through my video and do tell us in the comment section how you like it. So friends, we will tell you the ingredients. So we have taken apples, banana, this is kiwi which is very good for health, and we have taken some grapes, this is whipping cream, and we have taken cardamom, Britannia cake, and we have taken the chocolate syrup. So friends, now we will take a bowl. We have melted the chocolate, dark chocolate, you can take any flavor chocolate, and we have taken one balloon, and we will do it like this, and we will keep inside the fridge to let it cool down so that it may become a bowl. So we will put the whipping cream inside the bowl, and now we will whip it so that it may become very thick and very light. So you have to continuously stir it for some time. So friends, see, it has become a little bit fluffy and little thick also, but now we have to do it more. So I have done it for 10 minutes, and I think I will do again for 10 minutes more. So friends, see, it has become so thick, but it has taken 20 minutes. I have been whipping it. My hand is bit tiring, but it's okay. It has become so thick and so fluffy. Okay, and now we will cut our fruits. Now we will cut the fruits. We have taken 2 bananas, and we will cut rest of the fruits also like this. And so we have taken this kiwi and we have cut it into pieces. One more kiwi we will cut. So we have taken one more kiwi, we will cut it into slices like this, and will take grapes, and now we will cut an apple. So friends, now we will cut apple into small pieces. I will take another apple and I will make big slices of it, but I will make small pieces of one apple. So friends, all our fruits are ready, and now I have taken this elaichi and I will make a powder of it so that I may put inside the cream, and it will give a very good flavor. So friends, see, it's so thick, we don't have to add any sugar in it because whipping cream is already sweet, and so there is no need to add some sugar inside it. We are taking it 2 portions because we are making 2 chocolate bowls. One will be of chocolate cream and one will be of fruit cream. So now we will add our fruits. We will add all the bananas inside it. So now we will add apples which we have cut down. So it's up to you which fruit you like, you can add it. And now we will add some grapes. Kiwi we will add afterwards. And see, I have taken, this is vanilla flavor. You can add it and give it an awesome taste. And I will also add cardamom powder which I have crushed inside the mixer. So friends, we have crushed the cardamom and make it some paste, and we will add it, and it will give an awesome taste. Okay, that's it. And friends, we will add chocolate syrup in it, and we will make a chocolate cream out of it. Okay, and In the another bowl, we have told you we'll make a chocolate cream. Okay. So friends, now we will see that a beautiful bowl has been made. It has become hard, and now we will poke this balloon. Oh my god. 1, 2. So after a failed attempt to poke it, I will just cut it. 1, 2, and oh my god. 1, 2. So see, our bowl has been made. So now we will put our cream inside this bowl. It's very easy to make this chocolate bowl and it looks so attractive. So friends, now we will decorate it like this with kiwi. So friends, we will put the apple like this. You can decorate it in any way you like. I'm just doing it in this way. Just put it on. So we will decorate it like this. We have one more thing. Also put chocolate syrup inside it and give it an awesome look. We'll take a little bit of it and like this. So friends, our one chocolate fruit cream bowl is ready, and now we will make chocolate cream bowl, another one. So this is another bowl. We have put inside it the chocolate layer, and now we will decorate this. Now we have taken that fruit cake and we will put it like this. So friends, now we will decorate it. Do like this and like this. So see our decoration, and we will also sprinkle some sprinklers over it. So friends, our 2 bowls of chocolate are ready. This is fruit cream and this is chocolate cream, and I've showed you how I make it. These are very amazing, very tasty. So do try it at home and do tell me how you like it, and definitely will bring some more amazing and interesting and tasty recipes in future. So up till then, goodbye, have a nice day, have a nice weekend. Love to all and have a great day.